Mahaba. Yung mga lilit lang.
B-E-G. Not G. G.
I know.
Tralalalala.
Kasi goat. Sa.
Spell egg.
Ah, so easy.
So,
E. Huh? What? Egg.
Eh,
E. La.
Spell egg.
E.
go.
W.
Eh.
Double?
Tralalalala. Accident. Tralalalala. Kaya ba?
Tralala, tralala.
Tralalalala.
Tapi bahay ko ganyan.
Rahim look.
Post
Last
sa
night, me and Len.
mga apat lang na ano, mga apat lang na word ang ano mo. Pintuhan muna kayo diyan.
Other Philippines.
Again, I want to see.
Ada krisis ha? Krisis mob sa ba?
What? This is no food, only paper.
Why?
Just a viral in the TikTok.
Why this like this?
Krisis hay pas ha?
I'll
You
tell
see?
you how me and my friend we were gonna do this trend, and then we were like and then we do it, but then when we put this one, we
Sabah ka dito.
You see, Ibrahim Mingming. You see, Mingming read the shit.
Spell English.
why so fast? Look, he's on the Philippine dance.
Philippine dance.
Another accident in the right side, Joe.
Again.
Again.
Today is an accident. Who house? Who house?
In the kitchen last night. He cleans up.
And my mom's face.
Ooh. Only me and Lynn. Your mom is there.
Me, I wake up.
No, he sleep also. You see how the people dance?
Me wake up.
Hmm?
Maybe my family sleep and then you and then no.
Right, look, look. This is my son. Look, it's big. Look.
What if we do this?
Look at them.
Hey, Pa.
Haifa, you seatbelt Haifa.
Already.
How about Ibrahim?
Already.
Because he passed the 100 kilometer now. We go to the 120 kilometers, so we need seatbelt.
Diyan na yung takbo mo, kuya?
Ha? 120 dito.
That was very fun.
Pag bumaba ka sa 120, kuya, mahuhuli ka, hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Kung gusto mo mabrandahan ka doon ka sa karga.
Dito ka sa gitna.
Ito sa atin, pass line dito, pero hindi tayo dito sa left side, pass line yan. Tatakbo ka 100 pataas. Dito sa atin, 90 lang, 90 lang.
خلاص اوكي هو من بشوف شيء ساعة what would the tiger skin I want to cook skin
I don't know Fofa because first time in this road, first time going in this from school. Alatol, go to your house. I don't know how many minutes, but now I put video, but then I know how many minutes.
Because here, how many kilometers you go? 120. Too much speed, Haifa. We need where the.
Why too much speed?
Because Kuya Winnie knows because Kuya Winnie is driver.
Driver, how many
Yeah.
speed we go? 7
minutes.
or 8?
7 minutes.
I think Annabelle.
Who's that driver? Boxing. Then put punhad. Apple plate. Happiness. Happiness.
Ano ba nangyari dito? Traffic.
I want my shotgun. I want my jacket.
La 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 la.
I don't bring your job.
I love it.
You forget today. I called you Haifa, but you don't come back again.
Where is it again?
School din pala yung kuya, no?
Daddy, give me that jacket.
I don't bring your jacket, Haifa.
That jacket.
Wala!
I want this jacket.
Where's jacket, Ibrahim? Kuya, pahagis niya ko yun.
Why you need jacket? What happened?
Up in there.
Hot?
Quickly, ha? And then,
Ano ako the curtain Haifa? Use the curtain in your in Mabihat.
window,
Okay. You'll open your curtain.
you put the curtain in your window or no? This one. I
You put the
on-
curtain in Mabihat. Okay?
Wait, Ibrahim, quickly.
Miligaro ito. Bilikta. Bilikta.
Close the window up.
Oo, kuya. Ako na ba mag-ano?
Oh.
Baka nainitan lang kasi siya. Ito, dito.
Maybe right is all right. Eh, Jackie.
DJ.
Oh, 9 minutes na. Dito pa lang tayo. Malayo pa sa katotohanan.
The corner when it's ready. Not.
Kung doon tayo dadaan sa King
You know we have a turtle. But she died. Yes, you know we had this turtle,
Turtle?
but he died.
Why? It's your turtle before. Baby. Oh,
Yeah, one second.
Where the turtle before? You make a barbecue the turtle? What happened?
I wear my new dress.
Doon kabila pa uwi sa bahay natin, mga takbo natin 20 to ano lang eh, 15 to 20 minutes, no?
oh, wala. Medyo, hindi pa naman ganun ka-traffic, di ba?
Dito parang mga ganitong oras bahay na tayo nito.
Ganitong oras, sa bahay na kami.
2:30
Yes,
oh.
satisfying noise. Yes, satisfying noise. This is the second one, okay?
Tumtum sahur. Yala high fast sleep. Ada traffic.
And here's the third.
If you like to sleep, sleep.
I don't want to.
You don't want to
You
sleep?
sleep.
Ana sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes,
I sleep but open my eyes. How to drive if I close my eyes?
This, see the way now.
Eh?
Then, the right way.
You go to the right way. How to see the right way if you sleep? Haifa. Are you joking?
No.
Ba't dito kayo nagbahay? Nagkuha ng bahay, ang layo.
Dapat kinurkulan nila yung sa eskwelahan ng mga anak nila eh.
Hindi na sila naawa sa driver nila. Pero dapat may bahay ako dito. Dapat okay lang kahit malayo, basta may bahay ako dito. Ngayon lang.
Hindi, kuya, tignan mo kuya isang linggo. Tapos kung ano sabihin mo na kay tatay.
Yan nga, sa linggo yung ano.
Sabihin mo hindi mo ka, ano ka,
Maghanap sila ng bagong driver nila.
ano na.
Maghanap sila ng makakaya dito. Yung supervisor, yung driver dito. Balik ako sa aking original na amo. Ilang kaklase na ni Ibrahim yung mga bahay dito? 3 na sila. Isa, 2, 3.
Kung ano mo niya, pinakadulo pa si Ibrahim no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114,
What name of your classmate here, Haifa, na? Haifa. Haifa! This Leafy! Tulog siya? Talaga natulog na talaga siya. Hindi pa tayo naka 1/4.
At ako, nantok ako eh. Kinakausap mo kasi ako eh. Ganyan sana style kinuha nilang bahay oh.
Saan?
Ayun oh, ito oh. May mga parang terrace pa sa labas oh.
Maganda pa dyan yung kinuha nila.
Lolo ko yan oh.
Maganda pa dyan.
Ah, maganda pa dyan.
Mahal pa yun. May mga security guard pa yun sa labas bago ka magpasok. Daming bahay sa malapit. Sana doon sila sa diplomat nagkuha ng bahay.